friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Welcome to the Not Too Shabby July 2022 Box of the Month Hop. This is a hashtag driven hop. So in my title and also in the description box is a hashtag. Just click on that and that'll bring up all of the videos in the hop. As you hop around, make sure that you are leaving a comment and that you're liking each video. And if you're not already subscribed and you like that channel, go ahead and subscribe. Then go ahead and enter the raffle copter for a chance to win a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby Shop. Everything is in the description box below in case I forgot to mention something. Let's get on with it. Here's a quick look at what is included in the box. Onto my first card, I used some ephemera, the summer coffee paper pack, and some dies from my stash. And I am very OCD when it comes to making my cards. I do everything in a certain way, so that's just the way it is. I did leave this part in the video. I always stamp the back of my cards. So one person told me when I was first starting out, it's a piece of art and you always want to sign your creations. So I just always do that. And just as a reminder for you to make sure that you put your name on the back of your cards, be proud of them. I also try to always decorate the inside. So that's what I'm doing here with just a couple strips of paper and another piece of that ephemera. Then we're going to move on to the front. I already had everything cut out just for ease to keep this moving. Again, I'm very OCD when it comes to the order of things, so everything goes in a certain way. I did use my liquid adhesive on this little frame, give me a little bit more wiggle room, and plus it was so narrow. And then I just continued to create the card. So I'll go ahead and put on some music while I finish this up. Now you'll get to see me fight with the opening of the This Calls for Confetti. Normally I can get them open right away, but for whatever reason I had to fight with this one. But I finally got it, and I still think that they're one of my most favorite embellishments. And I just love how the card turned out. Very simple to put together. I really like the ephemera, bright and cheery, fun colors. And it all just goes together so easily. And so there's my first card. Now we're moving into the second card that I created for this hop. I'm just doing some basic ink blending with the new stencil, and then after I get the two colors down, because you'll see I'm going to lay down this picked raspberry, and then I'll reveal it and clean it. And then I'm going to do some squeezed lemonade on the other, like the wavy side. And then on top of that, I put some Stickles Moon Dust Glitter Gel. So I did this first so that I could move it aside and let it dry. And I have to say, I really love how it turned out. So again, just basic ink blending on this stencil. It really is a fun stencil. I can see that there's lots of possibilities with it, and I can't wait to play with it some more. So there's the first part of the card. Now we're moving into putting the second card together. I did use the Make It Iced Please paper pad and the, let's see, which one is it? The Java Nice Day stamp set. I just love that sentiment. I don't rise and shine, I caffeinate and hope for the best. I used some Stampin' Up! Ink, and since it was a new stamp, I did have to stamp it a couple times. And then I already have everything ready, so then I'm just going to be putting the card together. So I'll put some music back on so you can watch the finishing process. So there are my two cards that I created for this hop. The first one used that ephemera and just some of those, this calls for confetti. There's the inside. I love those colors. And then the second one, I don't know if you can see the sparkle there, but it does sparkle. And I still giggle every time I see that sentiment. And then just the inside. So now I hope that you'll click on that hashtag and hop around and see everybody's creations. And until my next video, have an amazing day.